Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I just wanted to give you guys an update of my whole condo, situation here. Essentially, my main studio where I edit videos and do testing on GPUs and projects, of course. You guys know my 6x Vega 56 mining rig here. It's in a server case and it's doing really well. I have it all off at the moment because I want to record this video. And as well, my RX 470 rig, I will have an update on this soon. I am probably going to be putting this on Windows just to test out some stuff, but I'll talk about that later. But before I begin and talk about this whole place, I want to mention first there is a giveaway that I'm planning, and there is a link in the description below. I'm going to be giving away this 2,000 watt Thermaltake Tough power supply. Alright, it's a 2,000 watt power supply that only runs on 175 to 240 volt. Okay, so for American or North American people, I know regularly a lot of people have 120 volt plugs in the wall, so you will not be able to run this power supply on that kind of power. You need like a dryer plug, like a 30 amp plug of some sort, or 20 amp as well, but it has to be 240 volt at least, in my opinion. Okay, I don't know if anyone has ever wired a 175 volt, but yeah, it says here 175 to 240 volt. Gleam link down below in the description. You guys can see I'm gonna give away this specific one, and it's gonna be an ongoing giveaway for about a month or so, till the end of July, essentially. Okay, so then I'll be doing announcement there, either a live stream or something, and I'll announce the winner and I'll ship this out to the lucky winner of this 2,000 watt power supply. So that's a little giveaway. I'm doing something really exciting for hopefully the community, and I just wanna give back, and I really appreciate the whole crypto mining community. So hopefully one of you guys win this, and appreciate you guys clicking the Gleam link down below and subscribing and all that kind of stuff. Alright? Okay, so then I still have two more of these 2,000 watt power supplies. I don't have any projects coming up for these. I do kind of want to test these before I do use them though for something, but I'll have that later on in the future. Who knows, it could be a couple weeks or it could be a couple months from now until I use these, so we'll see about that. Now for the rest of my condo here, you guys know it's always a mess because I always have projects going on in here, and I do my video editing computer here and all that kind of stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot to show the Gleam link here. You guys can see you have 6 different ways to enter. Okay, so subscribing, going to my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, all that kind of stuff. But anyways, you guys can see this is where I do my video editing and stuff, and the PC that I have right now is a Ryzen 2700 CPU with a Radeon 7 and 32 gigs of RAM. Now this machine, I've had it now for a good year, but I'm kind of wanting to buy a new machine. I'm not sure if I want to go Intel or AMD. Something is telling me I should go more towards Intel because of the iGPU and like the rendering for Adobe Premiere. I'm a huge Adobe product user, so I know that AMD, it's also nice for Adobe products, for multitasking and stuff, but I've noticed some weird glitches every time I'm using Adobe Premiere on my AMD system here. I'm not sure if it's the Radeon 7 or if it's the 2700 that's giving me issues, but I'm thinking I may go towards an Intel system, maybe the 10900K, the i9. That would be pretty cool. But let me know your guys' thoughts down below. I'm wanting to have just a reliable system for video editing. Some people have been telling me that Intel is the way to go for that. Okay, now the next part I want to talk about in my room here. I know that eventually I will have to get out of here. I did do a video about that, I would say a couple months ago, regarding, I had to clean everything up. I had to get rid of my grow tent that used to be here. But now you guys can see there's like a plant here, and I do have some mining rigs here that I'm working on as projects. But I do miss my grow tent, and I feel like I want to put it back here one day, but I can't because I know that I'll have to get out of this room maybe in the next year or so, because you guys know I just had a life-changing event, and thank you for everyone who's been supporting me. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. The community is amazing. For the next year or so, I'm probably going to be in here, but I'm not going to add any major mining rig stuff in here, okay? So I'm still going to have my testing bench here, and you guys can see I have a Red Devil 5700 here that I'm working on, and a video will be coming up real soon, and awesome GPU. And of course I have my other rigs here, and recently we just did a Veta frame build off. I just built a new Veta frame, and I'm going to be utilizing this for a 5700 mining rig. Okay, so that'll be down the road. Once I'm done testing this GPU and the videos and stuff, you guys will see me start building the 5700 rig, and I'm gonna start buying a bunch of 5700s. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy the same 5700 or if I'm gonna buy like different versions of the different AIBs of the 5700. Okay, so maybe I'll get the Sapphire next. Maybe I'll get the Asus one next. I could probably buy all the different versions and test them all out. I think that would be kind of cool, but then it might be a kind of a nightmare for me getting it on the rig here and then setting all the settings, because you know, Silicon Lottery, not all GPUs are the same, especially the different manufacturers. All right, that'll be something down the road. Okay, but yeah, you guys know that I am actually making a new studio eventually. I do have a video coming up in a couple days about that, and yeah, I'm gonna be mostly doing my GPU testing and videos and stuff over there. I may have to move one of these tables over there, or I'm just gonna buy new tables. I'm still trying to figure that out. I have a lot of different projects going on right now, and as you guys know, I am a one-man show doing crypto mining, YouTube videos, you know, talking with people. I also have a Discord community of about almost 3,500 people now, which is just crazy. You guys are nuts. Yeah, I have a bunch of stuff. I have a bunch of new projects coming up, and yeah, I'm really excited for the future actually. And you know, I'm trying to do my best to figure out how I'm gonna go about doing all this kind of stuff, and you know, I want to make the content better for you all. Please let me know if there's anything that I can do a lot better. Like I said, I am a one-man show, and I'm trying to make the videos that I can as efficient as possible, but also get the point out. And also, I hope to give you guys value as well. And you know, I feel like I am doing a decent job of that, but if I'm not, please let me know down below. But yeah, I really appreciate you all. So finally, what else can I talk about in this room here? It's just a mess. It's just a mess. I used to have my Atom miner sitting down there, but now it's in another place. It's under my TV actually, out in the living room, and it's just mining away. And I will have an update video regarding my Atom miner 1 month profitability. Okay, so that'll be coming up real soon as well. You guys probably just saw this yesterday, the RX 580. I was just testing this out now, but now I'm doing the 5700, so you guys will see that video soon. I've been in this room now for a good year and a half, and I kind of want to make it, you know, more efficient for me, but you know, the space constraint that I have in this room, I feel like I just got to get rid of this plant. It's actually dying because it's so much heat every time I do turn on my rigs, and plus the windows don't help at all. I gotta move my rigs out, but I have to do videos on this RX 470 rig. Some of you guys have been asking. I will get some newer hash rate numbers, and I'm gonna test it on Windows, and then maybe I'll go back to a Linux operating system. And my 6x Vega 56 rig, this thing is a beast. It's awesome. I am gonna make like a completion video. I do have an issue with one of the GPUs getting really hot. It's getting about 77 to 80 degrees Celsius, so I don't think that's good. I think I'm gonna have to try to take it out and also replace the thermal paste essentially. So actually, let me take out the lid and you guys can see that better. Yeah, look at that. This looks really good. Looks really good. I do have to do some better cable management for this thing, but yeah, it's doing well otherwise, and I will hopefully be able to get this out soon and into my other location where it has air conditioning and all that stuff. So that should help with the temperatures as well. Okay, guys. So that's just the little update of my condo mining and situation and what I got going on here and the little projects I got working on so far. It's been an awesome year and a half on YouTube, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. I really appreciate you all. Please join up on the Thermaltake Tough Power 2000 watt power supply giveaway. Link in the description, the gleam.io link, and feel free to sign up in the entries there. And yeah, I'm really excited to give this away. So thank you guys for watching. Please let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.